exercise in with an actual purpose. I could have went on the treadmill for 30 minutes. I could have walked on the treadmill for 30 minutes. Or you can walk with a destination in mind. Look at the seagull. Ooh. I like exercising for an actual purpose. This is my exercise. I don't need to pay for a gym. Just grab the camera and walk somewhere. Maybe you find a new place. Try some new food. Meet some new friends. Meet a girlfriend. Meet a boyfriend. Yeah, that's what they try to do. Sorry guys, I'm not looking for a boyfriend. That's how I like to do it. Maybe they're closed. Maybe they're open. Maybe it's on fire. Maybe they're handing out free drinks. Who knows? But I'd rather exercise with a destination in mind than plugging in a treadmill to run on a treadmill. You know what I mean? A treadmill needs energy so that you can exert energy. It's the silliest thing to me. Let's plug in the treadmill to the outlet so that we can exert energy by using energy. Does anyone else